Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these vegan shortbreads. Let's begin. To start on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a food processor and into it place your flour and salt and just pulse them together until they are combined. You can then go ahead and add in the vegan butter alternative, ensuring it's as cold as you can possibly get it. You will then want to pulse that in just until it starts to form a dough. You can then go ahead and place in the sugar and just pulse that in until a dough starts to form, being careful not to overwork it at this stage, otherwise the texture of the biscuit will be quite tough and unpleasant. You can then go ahead and flour a work surface with some plain flour, place your shortbread dough onto it and just give it a brief knead to bring it together. Again, try not to overwork it at this stage, just bring the dough into a fat sausage shape, wrap in cling film and then place into the fridge for around an hour or until the dough has firmed up. This will make it easier to work with and it will bake better. So once your dough has had some time in the fridge, you can remove it and place it onto a floured surface. Then you'll want to cut it up into 10 to 12 pieces. I went slightly bang in the middle and got 11, but feel free to make yours slightly smaller or slightly larger and have either 10 or 12. Once you have all of your dough cut out, you can then place them onto a lined baking tray. You'll then want to make sure that you space them out just a little bit, as these do spread a little more than regular shortbreads, and that's due to the amount of water in the spread. All of the baking times, temperatures, weights and measurements will all be in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So once they're fresh out of the oven, you'll want to sprinkle over a generous amount of cast or granulated sugar and allow them to cool. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with some more recipes for you, so join me then. But in the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.